Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. This Equinox is featured in a white paint finish and is the LT trim. Under the hood is our 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle we have 5-passenger seating on our jet black cloth seating surfaces. We have heated seats in the front of the vehicle, forward collision alert, our lane keep assist, a wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a backup camera with adaptive guidelines. Outside of the vehicle, we have our alloy wheels, as well as a powered liftgate. Moving to the front of the vehicle, we have our chrome finished door handle, power locks, power mirrors, and our power windows, some storage, as well as our power tailgate settings, and our speaker in the bottom of the door. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have all of our lighting controls, some audio controls on the back of the steering wheel, power driver seat finished in our jet black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we have our display cluster. In the center, we have a digital information system that is configurable to the driver's preferences. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings on the outside, forward collision alert in the center, as well as our lane keep assist. Some audio controls behind, as mentioned before. Moving to the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our voice recognition, hands-free, and the controls for our display cluster information. We have more audio controls in the back on this side with our push-to-start ignition. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. In our audio, we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. We also have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Wi-Fi hotspot. If you put the vehicle into reverse, we have our backup camera with our adaptive guidelines, home, seek, volume, and hands-free below, with auto stop start and our hazard lights. Then we have our dual zone climate control with our AC, sync, auto, front and rear defrost, and fan controls, heated driver and heated passenger seat also in the center there. At the bottom we have a USB-C, USB, aux, and a 12-volt plug, as well as some storage. You can see our key currently in that storage. Have our locks and unlocks at the start, remote starter, as well as our powered liftgate and our alarm system. All-wheel drive and parking sensor switches before our leather finished shifter. Electronic parking brake in the bottom with our 2 cup holders. Storage in our center console. We have some deep storage as well as a removable coin tray on the passenger side. Moving to the passenger seat, also finished in our jet black cloth and heated for the passenger. Lastly, moving above the rearview mirror, we have our OnStar settings at the front, dome lighting controls throughout the middle, and then a sunglass holder. Now walking down the side of the vehicle. Moving down to our front tire and rim, we have our alloy rim with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap and all-season tires. Moving out, we have a black cap mirror, paint match door handles with keyless entry. All the way around at the back of the vehicle, we have our blackout badging with our black bow tie, black Equinox, as well as our black all-wheel drive LT. Powered liftgate that we can access simply below our bow tie by pressing in. Also have access through our key or through the front of the vehicle. In the back of the vehicle, we have some storage space, as well as our 60/40 folding second row seats. Can fold the second row seats through the passenger side in our format, as well as a 12-volt plug below it. We have some underneath seat storage. You can see we have a bunch throughout, space for a full-size 5th tire, as well as our block heater cord. To close the vehicle, we have our power button on the right-hand side, right next to our manual release. Starting off in the back of the vehicle, we have our chrome finished door handle, power window control, some storage, as well as our speaker. Moving to the seats, we have a 60/40 folding bench finished in our jet black cloth. You can fold these seats up through the side of the seat or in the back of the vehicle. In the center seat, we have our foldable center console with 2 cup holders, as well as our cup holder liner. Moving in front, we have a storage pocket in the back of the passenger seat, as well as our vents and our 2 USBs for charging in the center seat. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walkaround of the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.